Uh, these fill solenoids also have wire mesh screen filter on them. Okay, so as a number 17 wrench and a number 20, I'm using a crescent and using that V pattern again. Try to unlock it that way. Makes it a lot easier. And there's also an orifice. And copper O-rings. And as you can see, this one's fairly clogged up too. The copper O-rings, if they're not too deformed, this one's not too bad. If they're not too deformed, you can reuse them, but I would recommend, if you have a lot of them, just go ahead and change it out in the wire mesh, which is removed this way using a pointy object without, and then get some of the wires up. And using a needle nose, pull it open that way. Now obviously I won't be able to reuse this one, though I can smash it down somewhat, but this one's too far gone, too badly clogged to be used again. Okay, you can twist these and wash these out in the event that you absolutely have to reuse them, and you can get them to move. Wash out all the calcium deposits inside and then insert it back in. But as you can see, this one's pretty clogged up. Okay, I'll change this out. Notice the two lines. Okay.